Program 52 IMU realign REFSMMAT and sextant dust cover jettison. So after you enter into orbit and you're granted with a P52 IMU alignment, you may notice that when you go to the optics, there is a gray cover in the way. This is very simple to solve. The only things that you're going to need to do is turn the optics power on, the zero switch off, make sure that your coupling's direct, you're on mode manual, and your speed is high. Now what you're going to do is you're going to take the optics hand controller and move it all the way to the right. So we could see the optics are gimbaling and they're spinning. And that will sufficiently jettison the optics. Once you're done with that, a simple flip of the zero switch, and those optics will recenter back to zero. Now we'll coast along until we are ordered to do P52. Okay, P52, take the optic zero switch off and the computer mode to CMC. Now there is something to mention about the zero switch. When you turn the zero switch on, it takes 15 seconds for the zero flag to be set in the computer. And the reason this is because the optics need to actually be at zero before this flag is set. So from any position that the optics can go to, 15 seconds is all it takes to recenter. If you take the zero switch on and off immediately, or anything less than 15 seconds, the pings light will come on with a program alarm. Let's try that now. We see pings, and the program alarm is 116. This is solved by flipping the zero switch on for 15 seconds, and the program alarm will go away. Turn the numerics up so that you can see the computer a little better. There we go. Now after 15 seconds, zero switch off and no pings. So the first part of the REFSMMAT P52 starts the same as my video for preferred. Verb 37, change program, enter. 52, the program number, enter. Now we have row 01, which stands for specific technique. Row 1 will have 01, specific technique. This, you could select the desired optics, the scanning telescope, or the sextant. By changing that top number, we want the sextant. And keying verb 22 to change the second row. Of course, we have 1 is preferred, 2 is nominal, and 3 is REFSMMAT. So just hit 3 and enter, and this will fill in the zeros for you. Now we can hit proceed to 5025, 15 for star select and confirm sighting of the stars. We do have sight, so we are going to confirm that with proceed. The computer is then going to find a star number, and if it cannot find a star, 404 or 405 will be displayed.
Apollo 7, this is Houston through Tananarive, standing by.
Right now, we have acquisition of stars, but because the stars that we could see are less than 30 degrees apart, we get this alarm. This is no problem. Just hit proceed. And we're going to go to manual, and we're going to manually select stars. So we could see Within range, we have star 1. And let's go resolved here. Star 44. Here, so we could do star 37. Yep, star 37 is within range. But it
Okay,
is getting
7,
out of
we're
range.
going to give you a time hack at 40 minutes to go until separation in about 2 minutes.
So let's
stand by
do
for that.
star 42.
And we have a GET for the pitch down maneuver and the inertial maneuver. So stand by to
Verb.
copy.
21, enter. 42, enter. Let's bring it down. And take the mark.
Okay, GET of pitch down is 2 plus 42 plus 55.
Sheet,
GET
excuse
of
me.
inertial
Now we can
attitude,
take the mark.
2 plus 51 plus 10.
Mark. Proceed. Confirm 42. And now we just need to manually find the next star. And we are going to select star.
And we're going
40.
to give you a 40-minute time hack.
Let's
counting
select star
down so you
01.
can set your watch. Stand by, that's coming up.
Star 01. Verb 21, enter. 1, enter. Proceed. And get ready to mark. Mark. Proceed. Proceed. Now we get our 0605, how far off our mark is, and this is well within the limits. Again, the
30
limits
seconds to
are
go.
0.1 or 0.03. 0.1 for the scanning telescope, 0.03 for the sextant. We're using the sextant, and this is within range. Proceed. And proceed to make these gimbal adjustments. Enter, 0, 0, enter. 0 switch on, speed high. And that's all.
5,
Thank you.
4,